that I'm going to do a walkthrough of, and it is the 2020 Sierra 1500 with the CarbonPro edition. So because this is an AT4, you get the really cool red vertical tow hooks here on the front of the truck. But what makes this truck so special, in addition to the carbon fiber bed, the CarbonPro edition gets these unique accents. And what that is you get this gunmetal gray grille surround that gives it a totally different, unique look, as well as the surround that goes around the fog lights here. You also get a unique CarbonPro trim piece on the side here. So you've got this faux vent here that says CarbonPro, and then it also shows the 6.2 liter insignia that tells you that this has the monster of all V8 engines in there, the 420 horsepower, 6.2 liter V8. You get that 2-inch factory lift. What's nice about that is when you're driving down the road, you've got that extra 2 inches. It's a better, more commanding view of the road, and it gives you a lot more off-road capability as well. On this particular AT4, we are running 18-inch alloy wheels with Goodyear Wrangler Duratrac tires to give you all that traction that you need in the mud and snow. At the end of this 2020 AT4 Sierra that we have here, we have the super innovative MultiPro tailgate. This thing is the Swiss Army knife of tailgates out there. So not only is it a normal tailgate and functions as one solid piece like you'd come to expect from any tailgate, you also have this innovative inner tailgate as well. So with this part that drops down here, it gives me a couple different options here. It allows me to, one, step a little bit closer to the bed. So if I am loading stuff by hand, I can get in here and I can put stuff in further by hand. The next function that it has is you can drop this piece here and it becomes a step. Now, this is a nice, big, wide step. You can't fall through it. It's backed, all right? It's super solid. It'll hold up to 375 pounds. I can jump on this thing, no big deal, all right? Definitely helps you get into the back of the truck. If you have a little bit more trouble with this big step, you can always put this handle up as well. So you got this handle to hold on to and grip. This goes down, folds out like that. Very simple. Another function of this tailgate, get it back up into place. When the main gate is up, you can drop the mid gate, and you've got this kind of mid-height area here that you can use as a workstation. You know, you can lean on it, whatever you want. And then you can also put the step up, and you can use this as a load stop if you have something that just tends to be a little bit too long for your body. Now I want to talk about another innovation on this truck, and that is the CarbonPro bed. Now, what this truck has that's different from any other trucks out there is this is a 100% carbon fiber bed. Gives you a weight savings of 25% over the old rolled form style bed. And there's a couple neat things about this bed also. Not only does it give you added durability, but it also gives you a little bit more function here as well. So what these little cutouts are here for is these are for loading dirt bikes, motorbikes, that sort of thing. And then it gives you a couple extra tie-down hooks here that you won't get in the steel bed. And just gives you another anchor point so you can actually tie those bikes in here, whether it's dirt bikes or quads, that sort of thing. And then you get all the same features that you'd come to expect from these new GMC trucks, and that's the 3 tie-down anchors on each corner of the bed, giving you a total of 14 in this box. And then you also have a power outlet and bed lighting as well. My name's Adam Ash here at Shagganappy GM. If you have any questions or comments that you want to know about this truck, feel free to call me or email me below. Also, if there's any other vehicles that we have on our lot that you want me to review, I will gladly take those suggestions and I can give you a full review of those particular vehicles.